Are you struggling to lose belly fat, even though you're trying to eat healthy? You're not alone. Many people unknowingly eat foods every day that are secretly packing on the pounds, especially around the midsection. The worst part? These foods are often marketed as healthy or low-fat, but they're sabotaging your weight loss goals behind the scenes. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 everyday belly fat culprits you probably have in your kitchen right now. These aren't exotic or rare. They're common items you might eat without even thinking twice. Stick around till the end. Culprit number 10 might be hiding in your fridge right now and could be derailing all your progress. One, flavored yogurt. Yogurt is often seen as a health food, but flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugars, sometimes up to 20 grams in a single serving. That's more sugar than a candy bar. This sugar spike leads to fat storage, especially around your waistline. Choose unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own fruit or cinnamon for natural flavor. 2. Granola. Granola looks healthy, but don't be fooled. Many store-bought granolas contain high levels of added sugar, processed oils, and are calorie-dense. Just half a cup can have over 200 calories and 15 grams of sugar. Opt for homemade granola or plain oats topped with nuts and berries for real energy. 3. Fruit juice. Even 100% fruit juice lacks fiber and contains a high concentration of sugar. Your body processes it much like soda, spiking blood sugar and promoting fat storage. Eat whole fruits instead, or try water infused with lemon, cucumber, or berries. 4. White bread and pasta. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta break down quickly into sugar. They cause insulin spikes, which promotes belly fat. They also leave you feeling hungry again soon after. Go for whole grain, legume-based, or sprouted bread and pasta options. 5. Diet soda. Zero sugar doesn't mean zero problem. Artificial sweeteners confuse your body and may actually increase cravings for sugary foods. Long-term use has been linked to weight gain and belly fat retention. Try sparkling water with lime or herbal teas for flavor without risk. 6. Energy bars. Packaged as a quick fix, many energy bars are loaded with processed ingredients, high fructose corn syrup, and refined oils. Look for bars with minimal ingredients like dates, nuts, and natural protein, or make your own. 7. Store-bought salad dressings. Salads are healthy until you drown them in store-bought dressings. These are often full of added sugars, unhealthy oils, and preservatives. Make your own using olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and lemon. 8. Low-fat and fat-free packaged foods. When food manufacturers remove fat, they often replace it with sugar, salt, or chemicals to maintain taste. These foods may be low in fat, but high in ingredients that trigger fat storage. Eat whole, unprocessed foods with natural fats, like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. 9. Alcohol, especially beer and cocktails. Alcohol slows your metabolism, interferes with fat burning, and adds empty calories. Beer, in particular, is linked to belly fat, often called the beer belly. Limit intake, avoid sugary mixers, and hydrate with water between drinks. 10. Processed snacks. Crackers, chips, cookies. These are designed to be addictive. Full of refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and additives, they offer little nutrition and spike cravings. You eat more, gain more, and feel worse. Try air-popped popcorn, roasted chickpeas, or raw veggies with guacamole. So, how many of these belly fat culprits are part of your daily routine? Don't feel bad. Most people don't even realize how sneaky these foods are. But now that you know, you can start making smarter choices. Swap these out for whole, nutrient-dense foods, and your body and your belly will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more health-packed content. Want to know which foods actually help you burn belly fat? Then check out our next video, 110 Belly Fat Foods Doctors Never Eat. It's linked right here on the screen. See you in the next one.